mabuti yung peklat ni baby. Kung gaano siya kabilis gumaling at mag-lighten. Ito yung gamit ko, the Scarminator. Ang claims niya is to lighten the scars and even the dark spots. And don't worry kasi it's safe for kids. So ako, marami akong maglagay per area. And ina-apply ko to every night until mag-lighten na talaga yung scars niya. According sa instruction, 2 to 3 times a day. But for me, once every night, okay na. Napapaputi pa rin naman niya yung scars. And it is not expensive ha. Matagal din naman siya depende sa dami ng sugat ng baby mo. Sa baby ko, after 5 to 6 days, nag-lighten na siya. Hindi na masama, diba? Basta araw-arawin mo lang. 7/7 sale tomorrow. For sure, may discount yan. Kaya add to cart na and see the
So alam mo na, check out na!